If you created your email account when you were a teenager, but now you are a little bit awkward about the email address you chose, or maybe you have an email address related to your old job or company, and now you need to change it. Most email service companies don't allow you to make changes to your existing email address. But now Gmail has released a new feature that helps you to change or edit your old email address to a new one without losing your existing emails already received or sent. Today in this video, I will show how to change your old Gmail address to a new one. Let's start. First, log into your Gmail ID, then click on the profile icon and open Manage Your Google Account. Inside the Google account, click on Email. Here you can see Google Account Email. Then click on the arrow near to your Gmail address. Enter the password to verify and re-log into your account. Right here, a new option is available. Change Google Account Email. Click on that. Before changing to the new mail address, please read the terms and conditions. Then enter a new email address that is not taken by somebody else and click on Change Email. Now it shows the current address and your newly changed email address. Confirm it by clicking Yes. That's it. Now you can use your new email address to sign in to your mail, social media, or online stores and websites. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.